Hello, hello, hello. Welcome, welcome, welcome. In this course, we're going to be learning how to create a login and registration system, but we're going to be using PHP, jQuery, Ajax, and MySQL for the database. We're going to be creating a registration system because, well, you can't log in if you don't have an account. So we're going to be covering that as well. We're going to be using UIKit instead of the typical Bootstrap or Foundation for the front-end framework, just because we're not interested in writing a lot of HTML or CSS in this course. This course is designed to teach you how to log in and how to register a new user using PHP. It's not designed to be a beautiful website. Now, what's required in this course? Well, you should be fairly familiar with some HTML, CSS, a little bit of JavaScript. But you know what? If you're not, that's fine, because we're not going to be going into that stuff. We're not going to be going into like advanced JavaScript. What we're going to be using is jQuery, which is pretty straightforward stuff. If you don't know what a certain function in JavaScript does or does not do, Google it. Same thing with PHP. We're going to be going over a lot in this lesson, or in this course rather, and just feel free to pause the video whenever you see something that you don't know what it does. If it's PHP or JavaScript or MySQL, if you don't know what it does, pause it and go and Google it. Now, on that note, I do have another course called the Ultimate HTML Developer course, and it's all about learning just HTML. I have another course called JavaScript Essentials. You can actually get about half of it on YouTube now for free. And the other half, if you want it, you can just type into the old Google machine, type in JavaScript Essentials Caleb Tully, and just throw my name in there, and you'll probably find somewhere, you'll find the full course anyways. And if you're interested in the entire LAMP stack, that's the Linux, Apache, MySQL, and PHP stack, I have another course called the Complete Web Developer course, which you can get on YouTube. Absolutely free. It's 18 hours long. It's a little bit older, but it's old, but it's gold. Has a lot of useful information in there. So go check that out too. If you ever get stuck, there's a lot of information that I've provided for free on the internet. Plus, the entire internet is there to help. Now, about this course is not meant to be very long. It's going to be very fast paced. So again, pause when you need to. Go and Google something if you need to. You don't have to watch the whole video and remember everything first shot. You can watch the same video 3 or 4 times. You can go and learn something new, and you can come back. That's the beauty about online courses. So please, by all means, this is going to be fast. So pause and Google if you need to. The last thing you need to know about this course is it'll be coming with a code. So at the end of it, you will get access to all the code that we're using. I'll probably even just throw it up on GitHub so you can get all the code for free in there. We're going to be using Git actually, just a little bit. I'm not going to go into how Git is used necessarily. I might go into a few basic explainers, but nothing too advanced. And lastly, we're going to be writing PHP functions. So instead of classes, we're going to be writing functions to begin with, just because that's easier for us to wrap our heads around. And because this is a very small project, we really only need to write functions. Now, near the end of the course, I might end up turning all of those functions into classes and putting them up on GitHub so that you can see how it all works and you can download it and play with it and all that good stuff. But for now, we're going to be sticking with functions just because it's going to be nice and simple. So with all of that said, let's go ahead and get started right now.